Welcome back to Passionate About Tech. Have you ever noticed that your computer starts flying the moment you close your web browser? It's a classic problem. Modern browsers like Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge are incredible, but they can consume a significant amount of memory, especially with many tabs open. You open a few tabs, then a few more, and suddenly your entire system is crawling because your browser is holding on to a large portion of your available memory. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reclaim that wasted RAM and stop your browser from slowing down your PC. Ready? Let's jump in. First, let's see the damage in Chrome. Go ahead and open your browser and look for the three little dots in the top right corner. Hover over More Tools, and then you will see the Performance tab. Click that to open the hidden command center where we take back control of your computer's speed. Once you are in the Performance menu, the first thing you want to look at is Memory Saver. This is a game changer. When you toggle this on, your browser will automatically free up memory from the tabs you aren't currently looking at. It keeps them open, but it puts them into a suspended state, so they don't eat your RAM in the background. The second you click back on a tab, it wakes right back up. It is a seamless way to keep your browser fast without losing your work. It is all about efficiency. And most people don't even know these switches exist. In Microsoft Edge, the process is slightly different, but the tools are equally powerful. Click the three dots in the corner and go to Settings. From there, click the Burger menu on the left-hand side and select System and Performance, then Performance. As you can see on my screen, most of these features are on by default. But there is a specific way you want to set this up. First, look at Enable Energy Saver. If you are a laptop user, you should definitely consider toggling this on. It can help with battery life, but keep in mind that when Energy Saver is active, it manages its own schedule for sleeping tabs, which may limit how much you can customize that timing manually. If you want full control over when your inactive tabs go to sleep, you may want to leave Energy Saver off and set your own preferred interval, for example 5 minutes, so that idle tabs aren't wasting resources while you're away. Either way, make sure Fade Inactive Tabs is on so you can clearly see which tabs are resting and saving you that precious RAM. The best part about these settings is that they are totally reversible. If you notice a specific site acting weirdly when it wakes up, just click the Add button next to Always Keep These Sites Active and put the URL in there. While this doesn't fix actual software bugs or memory leaks in the apps themselves, it is a meaningful way to better manage your system resources. For users with older machines or limited RAM, say 4 to 8 gigabytes, enabling these features can noticeably improve the responsiveness of your browser during everyday use. Think of it as helping your browser work smarter, not harder. I hope this quick optimization helps your system during those sluggish moments. If you noticed a difference after turning these on, let me know in the comments. I love hearing from you tech lovers. Stay passionate about tech, and I will see you in the next video.